Good morning from AMT Specialist Cars here in Leeds. This morning I'm pleased to be showing you around this lovely E300d AMG line Premium Plus 4MATIC. Finished in Selenite Grey. It looks the absolute bomb. It's got the 20-inch multi-spoke AMG alloy wheel. Part of your Premium Plus package is the specification on the car, which does include that lovely sliding glass panoramic sunroof. This particular one has got the widescreen cockpit and command, and it's only covered 13,155 miles. Other nice bits of specification include the upgraded Burmester surround sound system, 3-stage memory seats with heated function, and also wireless charging. So if you're ever without that cable, you can still get your phone charged. Lovely vehicle. This time of year, 4MATIC is very desirable. So if you'd like to arrange a viewing, please give the sales team a call. We'd love to be able to show you the car in person, have a test drive, and potentially look to be doing some business. Thank you.